So we have our application here as we did before. I can select any of these from here. You see, when I click here, it is selected form 1. When I click here, it's selected button 1. When I click here, I will see text box 1. So this is a list of all the what's exist here. So I can select them from here. For instance, the stripe. This is the stripe. Let me delete it. Just click delete. Here, when you select it, click delete. It will be deleted. Delete the button. Delete all these. So you can just drag and select them all. As you see here, we have only only the form. That form you can resize it as you like. And there are what's called properties. When you select this, let me put a button, then we can I'll show you how to the difference between the selection. You see, so when this is selected button 1, as you see here is button 1, but when I click here on the form, you have selected the form 1. So all these properties are related to what you have selected. So now it is selected the form, then in the form there is a text which is the name of that here form. Let me say my form. So this is the name of that. You see, it is changed now to my form here. But when I click here and I go to the text, here I say button, for example, click me. So this is the click me now on the button. See, so depend on what you select, then you can change the properties of this. So the properties are here. Even if you lose that closed for some reason, so you can get it from you can go to see where are the forms here. It's called that property form. The property window is here. Other windows here, error and output or whatever these are, right? So this is the property. As we said, you can drag it to any place you want. Like this, you can drag it, even you can put it above that. You see, I put one above the other, then I have here what's called tab, so I can tab between these because they are in the same place. Anyway, so the output maybe is important, or the error as needed. Anyway, so what other properties here for the form? If I go here and look at the form, there are many things here. I can change the size, I can change the it's central, I can put it central, or I can change the font inside it, or back color, which is important here, nice to see. So if I click here and I have here different type, which is here called web color or system color or custom color. Custom color, for instance, I'm going to select this color. So this is the color of that one, but not the color of the click or the button. So click here to the button, and then I'm going to change the back color of that button into for instance that color. See, so click me here, but I want it to be bigger, so that font I want to change it. I go to the font. See, what's this? The name is not the text. The name is if you want to name that, because at the moment the button called button 1. If you create another button, it will be button 2. By default give you that name, but you can change the name as you like. We will come to it later. So we go to the font. This is the font. You can select the type of font you want. When you click here, it comes to you the font dialog. The font dialog here. So I want it bold. I want it 16, for instance. Click here. See, this is big. Sometimes if it is small, you can make it bigger like that, and you can move it to wherever place you like. These are about the property or the selected control. It's called control. This control, this is control. So control property. And that's for now. Thank you.